At our Get Your Life Right financial literacy workshop, you budget and we help you figure out your lines of credit. Hey, a line of credit is a beautiful thing because it can give you cash in a pinch. It's not like a credit card where you usually have to use the card itself for the transaction. You could transfer the money out of a line of credit, put it into your bank account. Now, lines of credit have variable interest rates, like credit cards though. So if you don't have one that is giving you a good rate, you're gonna be a little bit out of sorts for using that. However, good lines of credit, especially ones associated with your home, have longer payment terms, and that's better than the credit cards could do. Thanks for watching. A registration link is in the video description. Don't forget to like, subscribe, follow us on social media, and share with a friend.